So we get started this morning, numbers in the 70s, very, very humid. And I think we're looking at a very similar setup today to the day that we had yesterday, which means a lot more of the humid and pretty hot. Now, the key will be who gets the showers and when. The more showers we get, the better chance we have to prevent those temperatures from getting up so high in the first place, or we get to prevent them from staying up there for so long. I expect very similar weather today to yesterday and more tomorrow, and maybe we start looking for some changes when we get to Friday. The radar picture is a little bit more active this morning. As a matter of fact, I see a couple of real light sprinkles trying to get into parts of Gadsden or Decatur County and in parts of Liberty County. That's just a little drizzle. But get a little further to the west, get to Highway 231, maybe over towards Youngstown, and that's where we can see some actual rain coming down south of I-10 in Jackson County from Mariana down to the county line. So we've got some showers that extend all the way down through Panama City. These are trying to hold together as they move from west to east, and we'll see if maybe a little bit more of our area over the next 90 minutes or so can get a little bit of this. I expect it to continue shrinking and falling apart, but maybe in some of the spots to the south that missed out on some of the showers the past couple of days that were a little bit more confined to northern sections. Well, maybe here's our chance in some of the southern sections along and south of I-10, at least for the next couple of hours. And we'll talk about more chances for more showers and more spots later on today. We're at 68 this morning in Thomasville. We're at 70 in Valdosta, and we're at 73 in Tallahassee. It's warm. It's muggy. Not a lot of that is going to change for another couple of days. Most of the numbers are right around 70 until you get to Apalachicola, where it's 80 this morning. As a matter of fact, I see three spots, Thomasville and Live Oak, both at 68, and then there's Homerville at 67. Pretty much everybody else 70 and up. It's not breezy, so we look for some fog. I haven't seen much yet. We'll see how that develops over the next couple of hours too. That little line of showers held together pretty nice for parts of the Panhandle, but it's getting definitely weaker as it moves into our area, and that likely continues even as we get through the next hour or two. Now, I think we can get some showers at times early. I think we can get some showers at times this afternoon, but remember, these are those frustrating scattered showers where it could be raining on one side of town and not your side of town. I know, but that's how this works, and there's no way to make that change. So what we're going to find are these hit or miss scattered showers today and tomorrow as some more of this energy passes by. That sea breeze, it's still a little early in the year to count on it to help spread those showers out, but I think we might be able to start seeing a little bit of sea breeze induced activity. And then as we get to Friday, now we start talking about that next boundary, the leading edge of a new air mass. And once that gets here, that'll give us maybe a little bit better chance for some organized showers and storms, and maybe a little bit more for some widespread showers and storms. So that's a better chance for everybody gets at least something. And then once that passes by, some drier air gets here for the weekend, and I'm hoping slightly cooler air, although probably not much. So some changes by the time we get to Saturday. Today's Wednesday, and I think it's going to be a lot of the same Wednesday and Thursday, and then Friday's the transition day with that boundary arriving. On the Gulf today, we've got winds out of the south and southwest up to 15 knots, seas up to 3 feet. Let's go 60s and 70s with the showers, trying rain chances like 50-50 early on and staying that way this afternoon. So decent shots for some showers. But I know not everybody's going to get wet, and I know how frustrating that can be. A lot of low 90s for top temperatures today. Tonight it'll be more muggy. The showers will fizzle. We'll keep it in the 70s in most spots. And here's that 7-day forecast. The rain chances increase a bit tomorrow. They increase even more Friday, and they pretty much go away once we get into the day. On Saturday, at this point, I'm still really liking the weekend setup. Less humid and maybe a little less hot before things start to crank back up next week.